Hello everyone, I'm Dilasha Kharel and welcome to Feel and Believe Tarot. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe the channel and join the family. Also hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I also offer personal readings, so if you'd like to contact me for personal readings, you can check the description box below for my mail ID, and also you can contact me on my Instagram page. The link to my Instagram page is also in the description box. Now, this is a general reading, so the messages may or may not resonate with you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. So, today's pick a card reading is about yes or no or maybe question. So, think of a question in your mind that you could get a yes or a no answer. If you feel drawn to more than one pile, then feel free to choose more than one pile for your question. Yes, if you have more than a question in your mind. Now, for those of you who don't know how to select a pile, we have three piles in front of you: pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. Now, you can choose the pile by looking at the crystals or with the number pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3, or with your intuition as well, the pile you feel most drawn to, most attracted to, or with timestamps as well if you feel more attracted to numbers. Now, meditate on each pile and choose the pile with your intuition as well. Take your time, pick a pile, and once you are done with the selection, you can check the description box below and forward the video to your respective timestamps. Welcome pile 1 for those of you who choose this crystal. Now let's see what messages do we have for you. And okay, so we will look into the messages from the angel's answers and the Moonology Oracle later. First, let's start with the tarot deck. I only intend to choose 3 cards from tarot deck and 1 from Angel's Answers and 1 guidance for you from the Moonology Oracle. So, pile 1, think of your question. And okay, from the tarot deck, we have for you 2 of Swords. Okay. Then we have King of Swords. Okay. And we have the Ace of Cups. Okay. So, pile 1, I feel that you are trying to make a decision about something, yes, but you may not be able to look at things clearly right now. I feel that you people are really confused about the choices, the options you have at your hands. Yes, and I feel that you people need to look at things, more logically. Yes, and also you people need to use some strategy as well. Yes, uh, to achieve the thing that you want to achieve. Yes, but yes, as you move forward, yes, there are new beginnings for you. I feel that pile 1, for those of you, yes, who choose this pile, your question could be about a job or some work, yes, and some creative projects, about your business dealings. But for very few of you, yes, it could be about love, yes. I feel that pile 1, yes, you may not be happy with your current position at your work, yes, and that is why you people are really confused about whether to go for a new job. Yes, you are really confused right now. I feel that. Uh, So from the tarot deck, I feel that it could be a maybe. Yes. Now let's see what answer we have for you from the angel's answers. So from the angel answer, we have for you pile 1, unlikely. Okay. So pile 1, I feel that the question you have been thinking of right now, angels are going to answer your prayers, but it might not be the way you want it to happen, because the thing you are asking about may not be in your highest good. Yes, so you need to be open minded. The outcome you are going to get is going to be much more useful, and it is going to be for your own highest good. Yes, but it could be little different from what you have planned in your mind. Yes. Now let's see what guidance we have for you from the Monology Oracle. So we have for you pile 1, your hard work is paying off. Okay. So pile 1, I feel that yes, there is going to be a new beginning for you on a professional front. Yes. And angels, they are guiding you that you need to be more ambitious, and you need to be more clear about what is that you want. And also you need to have a proper plan, and yes, you need to be more dedicated to achieve what is that you want. Yes, I feel that some of you are really not happy with your current job or position at your work. Yes, but yes, your questions are going to be answered, but it could be a little different. But yes, know that it is for your own highest good, pile 1. So yes, that was all for you, pile 1. I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you like my reading. So if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonated with you, if you like my reading, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, pile 1. I hope you all have a good day. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Welcome, pile 2. For those of you who choose this crystal, now let's see what messages we have for you. So we will look into the messages from the angel's answers and the guidance from the Monology Oracle later. First, let's start with the tarot deck. So I only intend to choose 3 cards from the tarot deck and 1 each from the angel's answers and from the Monology Oracle as a guidance for you. So think of your question, pile 2. So from the tarot deck, we have for you the Knight of Cups. Okay. Then we have the Hanged Man. And we have the Three of Cups. Okay. So, pile 2, I feel that someone is coming into your life, and they are expressing their feeling towards you. Also for some of you, it could be about someone coming into your life and offering you some partnership opportunities, some yes, some business contracts as well, some creative projects as well. And for those of you for whom it is about some love offer, yes, it could be a new relationship. Yes, for a lot of you, yes, someone new is coming into your life. And for those of you who are already in a relationship, I feel that your partner could be, offering you some deeper level of commitments and proposals, yes, to take your relationship to the next level. But I feel that you people, my viewers, you could be really confused, and you are you know you are really confused, like whether to go for this relationship or not, and you are waiting for some more yes, information as well. I feel that they were very that person who is going to come into your life, they are going to be very fast in their proposals. But yes, this relationship, it could be like a very slow progressing relationship. But yes, I feel that there is a lot of hope in this relationship. Or if it's about some business contracts, then yes, there is a lot of hope in this situation. Yes, you also need to change how you look into things. Yes, you need to change your perspective also. And I feel that yes, as you move forward, yes, your relationship, your love with them, your connection with them is also going to grow and improve a lot. And I feel that yes, there is going to be a lot of celebrations around you. For some of you, it could be marriage as well. Yes. So, pile two, yes, those of you who choose this pile, yes, I feel that your question could be about love, relationship, and yes, for few of you, it could be about business contracts and projects as well. So I think from the tarot deck, it is maybe. Okay, since I see a lot of celebrations, but still my viewers are really confused, so I feel it's a maybe. Now let's see what message we have for you from the angel's answers. So from the angel answer pile 2, we have for you, choose a new direction. Okay. So pile 2, angels, they are guiding you that you need to change your perspective, and also you need to look out for something more as well. I feel that some of you you might have ended your previous relationship, or you may have been waiting a lot from your partner. Yes, you could be asking a lot from them. Maybe they are not give you that deeper level of commitment right now. They may have other priorities as well, and you need to look you need to change how you look at things, and you need to look from their viewpoint as well. But yes, you need to believe in yourself, and you also need to believe in this relationship as well, and that you deserve love and happiness. Yes, you need to have faith, and also you need to move forward to make that conscious choice that you need to make. Yes, because I feel that yes, there is a happy future for you people, and good times is awaiting for you. But you need to take that step forward. Yes, now let's see what guidance we have for you from the Moonology Oracle. So from the Moonology Oracle, we have for you pile 2, believe in the impossible. Okay. So, pile 2, uh, angels, they are, they are they want you to know that yes, the question you have been thinking about right now, yes, it is going to happen, and you can achieve it if you believe you can. Yes, and you are going to get that opportunity, that love. Yes. But like they say, once in a blue moon. Yes. So, like they say, it may only happen, like once, and that person who is going to offer you that kind of love that is very true and emotional, and with that deeper level of commitment, it might only happen like once, So, yes, you need to believe that you can have this relationship, and you deserve love and happiness. So, yes, that was all for you, Pile 2. I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you like my reading. So, if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonated with you, if you like my reading, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So, yes, that was all for you, Pile 2. I hope you all have a good day. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Welcome, Pile 3. For those of you who choose this crystal, now let's see what messages we have for you. So, we will look into the messages from the Monology Oracle and the Angel's Answers later. First, let's start with the Tarot deck. So, I only intend to choose 3 cards from the Tarot deck and 1 each from the Angel's Answers and the Monology Oracle. So, pile 3 from the Tarot deck, we have for you the 10 of Cups. Okay. Then we have the Strength card. Okay. And we have the 6 of Cups. Okay. So, pile 3, I feel that there is a beautiful time ahead for you. Yes. And also, you people are going to feel more confident, and for some of you, yes, your health is also going to improve, and a wonderful relationship is ahead for you. And you are going to feel that stability and that lasting peace in that relationship. Yes. And also, whatever hard work you have done in the past, yes, it is going to bring rewards for you as well. And also, your past experiences, it is going to help you to plan ahead for your future, and you are going to be very calm as well. Yes. For some of you, I feel that your ex could return back into your life, and there is going to be harmony in your relationship, and you both of you are going to reconcile with each other. And for those of you who are already in a relationship, yes, your relationship is going to improve as well. And for some of you, I feel that that someone new, they could be from your childhood. You could be friends from a long time as well. And also, some of you could be thinking of starting a family as well. Perhaps you could be thinking about a pregnancy as well. So, pile 3, I feel that those of you who choose this pile, your question could be about your love, relationship, marriage as well. Some of you could be asking about your ex-lover as well. Some could be asking about pregnancy, if you are planning to have a baby. And also I feel some of you could be asking about, if about, yes, buying a home, new home. Yes, if you are planning to buy a new home, you could be asking about that as well. So pile 3, I feel from the tarot deck, it is a yes. Now let's see what messages we have for you from the angel's answers. So from the angel answer, pile 3, we have for you yes. Okay, so angels, they want you to know that the question you have been thinking of right now, yes, it is going to happen. Yes, and from the tarot deck also, I feel that there is a very wonderful time about to come into your life. Yes, now let's see what guidance do we have for you from the Monology Oracle. So the guidance we have for you is bring love into the situation. Okay, so pile 3, angels, they are, guiding you that yes, they want you to know that change is ahead for you. Yes, it is awaiting for you, and you need to have that faith, and you need to believe, in yourself, and about the question, about the situation that you have been asking, that you can have it. Yes, and also you need to bring, more love into this situation. You need to have more self love as well. Yes, and also you need to be more independent. Yes, to achieve what is that you want, and you need to be more confident as well. And yes, with the strength card, I feel that yes, you are going to be confident in the days to come. Feel more confident and feel more strong and vibrant as your health wise also. Yes, and pile 3, a very beautiful change is on its way for you. So yes, that was all for you, pile 3. I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you like my reading. So if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonated with you, if you like my reading, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, pile 3. I hope you all have a good day. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one.